already, guys. Okay, guys, so today is the turn of the savory snacks. I just wanna eat sweets. Next, Nutter Puffs. Puffed snack with real peanut butter. Okay. And there are a lot. There are like, I don't know, 12, 13 or something like that. So, let's start. I am Roxy. Please subscribe. ASMR. Okay, let's start with this one. Cauliflower crisps. These guys are amazing. These are cauliflower crisps. Sea salt, and I got this outside the convention center. I ate it all and then I went back and I got more bags because these are just my favorite. From the ground up, sponsor me! Sound, sound, sound. So good! Guys, I love this. I love this 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And I'm sad I don't want to finish this package because it's my last one and I don't know where to buy this. OMG. Actually, if I find the links, I'm gonna put them in the description box. So if I find them on Amazon or something, I'll let you know, guys, in the description box. Check the description box. Next! Same brand, guys. Cauliflower crackers. So these are the crackers. Oh, and they're cheddar flavor. And I haven't tried this, so let's see how they taste like. Dun dun! Wow! They smell a lot like cheddar. Wow! I can't stop! Can't stop! Won't stop! Can't stop! Can't stop! Won't stop! Okay, my battery died and in the meantime I finished this and I ate half of this package already. So, also I'm out of breath because it's hot. It's really hot today in LA, guys. It's like 30 degrees Celsius, 80 something in Fahrenheit. It's just hot. It's hot. And with these lights, with the soft boxes, technically they're umbrella lights or whatever, it's even more hot. I am sweating. Anyway, these are really, really good, but I can't, what's the word? Betray these ones, the sea salt cauliflower chips. So I'm gonna give this a 9, but they're amazing. Very, very cheesy flavored, cheesy, yummy, amazing, vegan. So sponsor me. Next, lentil crackers. More crackers. These are the super healthy version because these have lentil and turmeric. I'm healthy. I eat lentil crackers. Gluten-free. Yes. Let's try them. Dun dun dun. They smell really good, guys. Really good. Wow. Guys, they're really good. They are spicy, but not spicy like hot. They are super flavorful and they taste a little bit like curry. I like it. I'm gonna give it a good 8 because I didn't expect this to be this good. Next, dang! Sticky rice crisps. Okay, so I tried this at the event because they had some samples and these are kind of like rice crackers, but they're not the boring diet rice crackers. These are really, really tasty and good. And this is the new flavor. This is seaweed flavor and it was really good. Let's try it again. Tan 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 tan! Like it's the texture. It's amazing. And the flavor. I approve this. Dang! 8! Next! HIPPEAS vegan cheddar. So these are organic chickpea puffs, vegan white cheddar flavored. I know this brand because they serve something from this brand at Starbucks. I don't remember if I tried this though, so I'm curious. These are doubles. Dun, dun, dun. This one too cheesy. Crunchy. I like this. Yum. Guys, these are amazing. They don't taste at all like chickpea or whatever. The white cheddar taste is a little bit more subtle than the cheddar taste. And I think I like it more. I'm gonna give this a 9. This is amazing because I only gave 8, 9 and 10. So this video is awesome. Next, CHICKA chips, chili lime. So these are jicama chips, and the flavor is chili and lime. I hope it's not too spicy. Ding, ding, ding. They don't smell like anything. Oops. Ow! No! It hurts! I can eat this. Guys, I can't deal with this because it has the two flavors that I can't handle. Especially my throat can't handle it. The lime, sourness, super sour. And then it's also hot. It's spicy. So, I don't like this combo. I'm so sorry. If you like chili lime stuff, you're gonna love this. But I can't. So I'm gonna give it a 5, I think. I'm sorry. Next, lime sea snack. Lime, again. These are the seaweed snacks, I guess. And the flavor is lime. Okay. San, 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 san. Wow. Okay, so this is different because here the lime, it's good because the seaweed, it has that you know, sushi vibe. And I don't know, the lime is good, but it's also very sour. So I'm gonna give it a 7 because sometimes it's too sour. But don't worry, because I'm gonna finish that later. Next! I'm so full, guys, already. Beanfields Nacho! So these are my friends from Beanfields. This is the new packaging. They made me do that video with Zarikaya. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. Oh no! You think, no, let me think about it.
Are you serious? It's so easy!
And this is the nacho flavor. These are tortilla chips, but they're made with beans. Nacho, nacho, nacho. Ta-da! Yum. I like this. I like this. 9, guys, 9. Next! Dang! Sticky rice. Spicy. Dang again. These are the sticky rice chips, but this is sriracha. Spicy flavor. San, 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 san. Spicy! Spicy. These are also good. I like this. Even if they're spicy, I have to eat one at a time and with a break of 5 minutes, but they're really good. I love the texture. So I'm gonna give it an A. Good job. Dang! Next. Plantain chips. Sea salt and vinegar. Okay, so these are plantain chips. I think that's how you say it. It's kind of like that banana, platano. It's a type of banana. And I'm nervous because I don't like vinegar flavored stuff. So let's see. San, 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 san. No. Okay, no. I can't do this. It really tastes like I got a banana and I put it inside the vinegar and I ate it, and I can't handle this flavor. If they were only sea salt flavored, I would have eaten it, but I can't do this, so it's a 5. I'm sorry. Next. The last one! Boom, boom, chicka pop. Boom, boom, chicka pop. Boom, chicka pop. Sea salt popcorn. I am so happy because I love popcorns and I left it as the last thing. This is simple. It's sea salt popcorn. Easy, simple ingredients. That's what I like. Popcorn and sea salt. That's it. Happiness. Yum. These are my favorite popcorns. Even before going vegan, I never liked like buttery popcorn with cheddar on it or weird stuff. I always liked my simple sea salt popcorn. When something is already good, you don't need to change it. I'm so happy. 10. It's perfect. And that's it. And that's it, guys. I'm so full, but I'm happy. I got to try all this amazing stuff. Let me know, clicking on the I, what you want to see next. I'm gonna leave you some options. And I made a dancing video with my friend Veronica. If you want to see it, I'm gonna leave you the link in the description description box. Thank you so much for staying until the very end. As always, I say hi to all these people who tweeted me or sent me cute messages. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! I remembered everything. This time I said everything. Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.